Hey everybody! Are you trying to find a niche that suits your passions? Well, I've got some information for you in this video. Keep watching to find out more. Now before we get started, make sure you like this video, share this video, subscribe and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. This way you'll be updated with the latest information so you don't miss a beat. Hey everyone! So you've gotten into affiliate marketing and you're not quite sure what niche to choose? Well, I will say this probably the best thing to do is to find a niche that suits your passions. It's always empowering to come from a place where you have a lot of information and knowledge about, and also you have a lot of interest in. It's really hard to start speaking knowledgeably about something you don't have the slightest grasp on. So if you're not sure what it is, think about the things that you like. The great thing about affiliate marketing and finding a niche is there's so many different niches out there. I mean, there's the main ones. There's health and wellness, things targeted towards pets. There's money management. There's sporting equipment, video game. There's about anything you can think of. There's all sorts of different options. You could be writing movies. You could talk about tourism. You could talk about restaurants, food, and cooking. Just about anything you could imagine. And if you're not sure, you should always do some research into seeing what it is that you could market around. So really begin to saturate yourself in what it is that you're looking at. If it's a certain type of hunting equipment, or if it's bowling pins, whatever it is, get to know a lot about the subject. See what's out there, see what other people are doing, see what's missing, and you can use that then to maybe set yourself apart in the crowd. So if you really couldn't choose, you might have a few different niches. Kind of narrow it down. There's nothing wrong with going into multiple niches, but if you're just starting out, it might be good just to focus on one to kind of get the hang of it. Otherwise, you might be spreading yourself too thin if you're just starting out. Like I said, choose one and just do as much research as possible and figure out what you can do in that niche to be different. As far as looking at what's missing in your niche, perhaps all the vendors you've looked at are covering all but one aspect of this product or niche, or maybe you haven't found a market at all for one specific item. The tricky thing about that is you really need to put yourself in the mindset of a consumer. As much as it's helpful to go into something that you're passionate about and are very knowledgeable about, one of the downsides of that is you're not always going to be the typical consumer. You really need to think about what it is that a consumer is interested in. You need to target a specific audience, but you also need to be a little secular in that it needs to be appealing to others other than just yourself. You yourself may not be considered the ideal customer, so that's just something to keep in mind. As far as researching niches, I would just do a Google search and see what you can find. Look on Amazon.com. Look at Facebook groups, see what's out there in that niche. If you want some more help, I recommend going to this place called Exploding Topics. So explodingtopics.com, you can look and see what's popular right now in specific fields. It's a paid site, but there's a free feature, and you can see what's trending right now. A little bit more specific, but that might give you an idea where to go as far as what's popular, what's trending. You can leverage social media, that's going to be a big one. And if you're not sure, you can always use Facebook groups. Go into Facebook groups, see what other people are talking about, but you really want to narrow it down and just learn as much as you can, and then use that as a basis to leap forward, start affiliate marketing in your niche. If you need any help or any tools, you can always go to HindeSights.com. We've got a resources page, and there's tons of information on there that might be able to help you narrow down what you're looking for once you figure that out, how you want to go about affiliate marketing. As you're narrowing this down, do you have a top 2, top 3 niches that you're interested in? If so, let me know in the comments below. Like always, it's been great having you. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you next time. Was any of this information helpful? If so, let me know in the comments below. And also, make sure you like this video, share this video, and subscribe and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. This way, you'll be updated with the latest information so you don't miss a beat. Also, if you want to learn how to make money online legitimately, the right way and properly, visit HindeSights.com and learn step-by-step how to do that. Or click the link in the description to get started. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.